We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Taichung County's Dongshi is a Hakka area famous for its scenery. These Hakka, whose ancestors immigrated from Dapu on the mainland around 200 years ago, and still speak the Hakka dialect of that area. Hakka make up around 70% of the population. The area has a number of sites of interest. There's a long straight road leading up the mountain, known as Niuce Qi, the Qi being from the Hakka word for mountain slope. There's a nursery rhyme connected with the street. If you're interested in old architecture, the Chaoxianshi Temple dating from 1775 is well worth a visit. Hello and welcome to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm David Wang.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Okay, now today we're going to talk about what's up in the sky. 我们来看天上有什么东西好了。Let's talk about the sun, the stars, the moon. 好不好？好，我们先从这个太阳开始。
日頭。
日頭。
有鼻孔嘅音有冇？
有鼻
音。日頭。
日頭。日頭。What about the moon?
日光。
日光，
一样有那种日
光，
超。
OK， 日光就是月亮。The moon，
星呢
I have no idea what it is。
星呢就是星星啊。
OK，the stars。OK，all right，very good。星呢，我这个打死我也想不出来那个是星星。OK，now we know the sun, the moon, and the stars.Let's say the sun is really shiny. The sun is shining like crazy. 太阳很烈怎么讲？
日頭暗辣。
那麼晚上呢？
日光暗強。
月光很漂亮。The moon is very pretty. Okay, once again, the couple of sentences. The sun is shining.
日頭暗辣。
日頭暗辣。
日光暗強
The moonlight is pretty.
或者是說日光暗亮
The moon is bright, very bright. Okay, that's our lesson of the day. Thank you very much, 安子sé。
安子sé是母太嘎。
See you next time.
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.